Window pane graphing. Translations of sine and cosine. The behavior of trig functions is associated with four quadrants. Sine has four parts. 1, 2, 3, and 4. One cycle of the cosine has four parts. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Today we will look at translating the sine function and the cosine function, and we will put our translated graph in a window pane. The basic graph of a trig function, the A is your amplitude, and again that is your height. The C value will move the graph left if it is a positive number, or right if it is a negative number. So remember, when the value is inside the parentheses, it's the opposite of the sign. D moves your graph up if it is positive, or down if it is negative. Your window pane, the height of your window pane is your amplitude. Your C, D as an ordered pair is your shift coordinate, and the period is the length of your window pane. Example. First, I like to write the generic function. Since this is a sine function, y equals a sine b times x minus c plus d. And then I take the equation that I'm graphing and write it directly under it so I can line everything up. I am going to go ahead and change pi over 4 to degrees because degrees is easier to work with. Pi over 4, you do take 180 divided by 4. 180 divided by 4 is 45 degrees. And our B is an understood one. Identify your A, B, C, and D. A, 2. B is 1. Your C, since you have to change the sign when you get ready to do your shift, you can go ahead and change the sign here on your C. So it will be negative 45 degrees. And your D is 1. Next, you want to find the period of your function. The formula for period is 2 pi over b. So we simply plug in our b value. B is 1. So we have 2 pi over 1, and you simplify 2 pi. Keep in mind that 2 pi is 360 degrees. Next, you want to find your shift coordinate. As mentioned earlier, your shift coordinate is your C value and your D value. So the shift coordinate is negative 45 degrees and 1. That simply means our graph, we will shift left 45 degrees and up 1. And then we need to see where this one cycle will end. So the ending of our one cycle, we take our shift coordinate, our starting point, negative 45 degrees, and we add the value of the period to it to see how far we must go before that one sine cycle ends. So the period is 360, so negative 45 plus